Welcome to Session 6. Linear functions are rules with a constant rate of change. Today we interpret input and output, evaluate functions, build models from context, and compare two linear plans. A function assigns exactly one output to each allowed input. Function notation is not multiplication. For f of 2, the input is 2. Substitute 2 for x, and the output is 13. The SAT often switches the direction. If the input is given, evaluate the output. If the output is given, set the function equal to that output and solve for the input. Here, f of -2 is 14, but f of x equals 20 gives x equals -4. For algebraic inputs, replace the entire input with parentheses. If h of x equals 2x minus 5, then h of a plus 3 is 2 times the whole quantity a plus 3 minus 5. The simplified result is 2a plus 1. When the node measurement is not at time 0, do not force it to be the intercept. The battery is 82% after 2 hours, and the rate is -6 percentage points per hour. Using point-slope form gives b of t equals -6t plus 94. To compare two linear models, set the outputs equal. Plan A starts at $15 and adds $4 per month. Plan B starts at $27 and adds $3 per month. They cost the same at 12 months, when both are $63. A formula may accept many algebraic inputs, but context can restrict the domain. For a tank with V of t equals 180 minus 12t, time cannot be negative, and volume cannot be below 0. The meaningful domain is 0 to 15 minutes. Your turn. If g of x equals 4x minus 1, find x when g of x equals 19. Pause and decide whether this is evaluation or solving for the input. Because the output is 19, set 4x minus 1 equal to 19. Add 1, divide by 4, and the input is 5. Session 6 recap. Function notation tells you whether you are finding an output or an input. Slope is the constant rate of change. The intercept is the value when the input is 0. In modeling, attach units and let context restrict the domain and range. Next, we move to multi-step word problems.